Keywords aren't just words. They're the bridge between your site and the world. When placed correctly, your content soars to the top. If not, well, you risk staying invisible. Let's think about it. Back in the 19th century, newspapers used bold headlines to grab attention. Key phrases were repeated to make sure you knew what the issue was about. Now, fast forward to the early days of the internet in the 1990s. SEO was born, and webmasters stuffed their sites with keywords, hoping it would work. That's what we call keyword stuffing, and search engines quickly learned to penalize it. Today, AI analyzes your text as carefully as audiences critique a blockbuster trailer. Balance is everything. Keywords in content are like iconic phrases in Hollywood. Remember "I'll be back" from The Terminator? This phrase was repeated just enough to become a meme for decades. And how about songs? The chorus of "Let It Go" from Frozen repeats so perfectly that the whole world sang along. If the chorus only played once, it wouldn't have become a hit. But imagine if the chorus played every 5 seconds, or a movie's key phrase was repeated nonsensically. Overkill. The same goes for your text. Too few keywords, and your audience doesn't get the message. Too many, and your content becomes unreadable. So how do you strike the perfect balance? Meet your new secret weapon, the Keyword Density Checker on UNmiss.com. This free tool helps you. 1. Check the density of keywords in your text. 2. Analyze URLs of published pages. 3. Exclude irrelevant words to focus on what matters. Just paste your text or link, click the button, and see the results. If you've overused keywords, the tool will show it in the density column. If you've underused them, it highlights where to strengthen your text. And yes, it's completely free. Remember, great content is like a hit movie or song. Balance, repetition, and brightness make it stand out. Use the Keyword Density Checker on UNmiss to make your text as harmonious as the chorus of Maroon 5's "This Love." Try it now and let your content shine.